Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to download Filmora 9 in 2020. So with that being said, let's get started guys. First, go into your Chrome browser. Click the search bar and search for get into pc.com. I will be giving this link in the description also guys, so y'all can click in the description, click on the first link, search in the search bar Filmora 9. Okay, scroll down. You will be showing something like this: Wondershare Filmora 2020 free download. Click on this. Here you all can see the setup size guys. It's almost of 396 MB, and here is inside your setup file name Wondershare Filmora 9.5.0. So okay, scroll down and I will be seeing something like this to download. Just click on the download. Okay, before that, as this when you all will be extracting the file, you have to input this password. Just 123. As you can see, I have already got a download option. Just click on start download. And thank you guys, this is for as of today, and I have already downloaded this this software, so I won't download it again. And I hope you all enjoy this video. If you all like my video, then please don't forget to subscribe and do hit like and comment in the comment section. Thanks.